Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given f of x is equal to x squared over 1 plus x, and we're asked to find what is the value of the second derivative of f when x is equal to 1. So first, before we can even find the second derivative, we have to find the first derivative. And we're going to do that using the quotient rule. Since we have a fraction right here, this derivative is going to be the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. This is going to be equal to 1 plus x times the derivative of x squared. X squared is a power function, so you take the exponent, make it your coefficient, then your new exponent is 2 minus 1, which is going to just be 1, x to the 1 is x, minus x squared, the derivative of 1 is 0, plus the derivative of x is its coefficient, since it's a linear term. And sorry, I should have specified the derivative of 1 is 0 because 1 is a constant, so its derivative is 0 for all constants. Plus, we have a linear term, so its derivative is its coefficient, which is 1. So we have 0 plus 1 is 1. Over 1 plus x times 1 plus x. Simplifying this, we get 2x plus x times x is 2x squared minus x squared over 1 plus x plus x plus x squared equals 2x plus 2x squared minus x squared is plus x squared over 1 plus x is plus 2x plus x squared. And this is your first derivative. To find the second derivative, we take the derivative of the derivative. So that's going to give us, again, we can use the quotient rule once again because we have another fraction. So we take the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus, I don't know if we might run out of room here, but 2x plus x squared minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. I already fit that in there, over the denominator squared. So we have 1 plus 2x plus x squared times the derivative of 2x. The derivative of a linear term is going to be its coefficient, which is 2, plus the derivative of x squared, we've already found, is 2x, minus 2x plus x squared times the derivative of 1 is 0, so we don't even have to write it because it's going to be 0 plus the rest, which is just the rest. The derivative of 2x plus x squared. So if we ignore the 1 there, calculating this is just the derivative of this, which we already found is 2 plus 2x. And this is over 1 plus 2x plus x squared. Doing shortcuts like that is not necessary, but you might as well in something as complicated as this. Now you could simplify this, combining like terms and everything, but we don't actually want the final form of the second derivative. We just want to find what it is when it equals 1. So f double prime of 1 equals, plugging in 1 everywhere here, we get 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 squared times 2 plus 2 times 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 1 squared times 2 plus 2 times 1 over 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 squared. Simplifying this, 1 plus 2 times 1 is 1 plus 2, plus another 1 is 4, times 2 plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 squared is plus 1 is 3, times 2 plus 2 times 1 is 4, and this is over 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4 squared. This is equal to 16 minus 12 over 16 is 4 over 16 equals 1 over 4. And this is the value of the second derivative at 1. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.